In this video, I will show you how to use the if function to check if a cell is greater than a specific value in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have a table containing a list of student names in column B and their exam scores in column C. Now I want to display the result as pass if the marks are greater than 40, otherwise the result should be displayed as fail. To do that, I will use the if function to check if the mark value is greater than 40 or not. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign followed by if and an opening bracket in the target cell. The first argument of the if function is the logical condition to check. Since we want to check if the cell C3 has a value greater than 40, I will compare the value of cell C3 with the value 40 using the greater than sign like this. We need to provide the value if the condition is true as the second argument. So I will type pass in the double quotes. If the mark value is not greater than 40, then I want the result cell to have fail, so I will provide fail value in the double quotes as the third argument. Type the closing bracket and hit the enter key to complete the formula. Copy the formula to other cells by dragging the cell down from the bottom right corner of the cell. As you can see, we have the result as pass if the score is greater than 40 and fail if not. However, the second student's result is showing as fail even though he has scored 40 marks. That is because we checked if the score is greater than 40 and the value 40 is not greater than 40. If you want to consider the score 40 as pass, then we need to change the if function condition. Instead of checking if the score is greater than 40, we need to check if the score is greater than or equal to 40. To do that, I will simply modify the formula and instead of using the greater than sign, I will use the greater than or equal to operator. Hit the enter key and copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, we now have the result as pass if the score is greater than or equal to 40 marks. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.